Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin Bubble News channel. Yes, welcome back to another episode of Luke here. I hope you had a great day, no matter where you are. In today's show, I'm going to talk about the RSI. There's been some interesting changes there that we haven't seen since August and September of last year, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. We're going to quickly go over that AI crypto that I talked about 2 days ago, or was it yesterday? I can't remember because I forgot to briefly go over it yesterday. If you're new to the channel, please follow and let us know what you think in the comments below. Cryptocurrency alerts and all that, and yeah, just subscribe to the channel on all of my videos. For the day, things are pretty green across the board, with gains ranging from 5 to 10%. That's not too bad, since some things are still down 5 to 10%, but overall, it's a pretty good day. Now, let me talk about the AI coin I wanted to talk about. This AI platform raised $9.4 million during the bear market and says it could beat Cardano in August. It's just comparing itself to Cardano. As the month of August approaches, I wanted to talk about the AI-powered platform elliott. This project has recently made waves by raising a huge amount of money during a bear market. It's true that Bitcoin has been pretty boring over the last few months, but the success of elliott's fundraising efforts stands out as a sign of hope for new projects. I know some of you are working on projects, but this is definitely a good sign for new projects. So why does it compare? Cardano, I don't know, but this is a pre-sale that I just looked at yesterday and it's still going on. Each token is worth about 8 cents, and they're talking about a possible spike to $1 after launch, so you should go check this out. I'm bringing this up because, again, it's in AI and I think it will change the way the market works. I'm not saying this will go up 1200x for. The first investors do your research, take a look at it, but the point is that some of these projects have been doing well during a bearish trend, raking in this money. It's good for this fresh infusion of capital, as it says here. This means that the platform can continue to develop and market, and the team can use this to make their crypto company quite competitive. Cardano, on the other hand, has a strong community but hasn't recently attracted the same level of new capital, so AI will be a huge player this year, and something new that will hit the market is true. It could have a huge, high-profile group. I'm still looking at this, so please go ahead and look it over and let me know what you think of this project. I just wanted to quickly bring this to your attention. It hasn't had its cycle yet, so there's a lot of hype around new projects that haven't had a real bull cycle yet. Also, keep in mind that the end of this year and beginning of next year might be the best time for this project to come out. This cycle could go from $8 to $1 or whatever, so I just wanted to bring that up yesterday. But in general, as I've said a lot on this channel, I think AI will be the story of the market. It's very trendy right now, and gaming is also a big deal for me. So just before we talk about Bitcoin, the Fear and Greed Index is still at 40. If you're dollar cost averaging into projects like I do, I'll do so while it's still in the orange for fear. If it goes neutral for a little while, as soon as it starts to move back towards the green for greed, I'll stop. To wrap up the episode, let's talk about Bitcoin. Today we tried to get back into the purple rectangle I've been talking about. This is clear resistance that we need to break through in order to turn this cycle around. One last thing I want to point out is that before we look at the RSI on the 4-hourly, we can see that we have this. We have a W pattern right now, so who knows? Maybe in the next few days or so, we'll have a push through to that 60,000 level and beyond. But for now, we've hit resistance, hit it again, hit it there. So the more times we hit it, the weaker it gets, and then we'll probably push through and make this lower high and higher low. And another one here, and who knows, maybe around this 56,900 level we get another push off, making another higher low. Hopefully this is the start of a turnaround, and that this was the local bottom at 53,000. Now let's look at the daily chart. Before we end this episode, I'd like to show you the RSI. As you can see, there is a bullish divergence. This is good news because I haven't seen a bullish divergence like this since September 2023. Since then, I've seen a lot of obviously bearish divergences, but this is the first one I've seen every day. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. This is bad news for bears because it means that 53,425 was probably the bottom, and we'll break through it. However, we still need to get and break through that $64,000 level before I'm sure that we'll be heading back to our previous all-time high of 74,000 US dollars. So just a heads up for anyone trading or investing, we do have this bullish divergence showing on the daily time frame right now. I'll probably talk more about that in tomorrow's episode. Thanks for watching, guys and girls.